Hi guys, welcome to my channel and as you know that we work on body kits also apart from detailing and painting. तो आज हमारे पास एक आई है एक Toyota Etios who and the owner wanted a add-on body kit. So we have add-on body kits for all the cars. We have add-on body kits for Etios as well. Come, I'll show you. So this is the add-on body kit. जो स्टॉक बम्पर है उसी के नीचे ये लगता है. सो दीज आर द साइड स्कर्ट्स एंड दिस इज द बैक एंड दिस इज द फ्रंट. So this is basically a universal body kit which fits in all your sedans but with a little tweak. So if you ask me about the installation process, it's going to take something around 6-7 hours depending upon car and depending upon work, because this is a kit from other car जिसको हम बैठाने वाले हैं Etios पे. Like I told you, with a little tweak, थोड़ा सा modify हमको करना पड़ता है, but it's a complete bolt on. इसमें पूरा बोल्ट वोल्ट मार के हम ऐसे टाइट करेंगे कि ये लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये आफ्टर मार्केट हुआ है. Of course, this doesn't come with paint. This comes with whatever you can see. This is not paint. So paint is always separate. And if you ask me about the price, this add-on kit with installation all over Bangalore is 8,000 rupees with installation. You will get kits for 5,000, 6,000, 6,500, 7,000 also. But उसमें क्या है, when you go visit their place, I'm not going to name them obviously. Installation is separate. But हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं है. Installation is included in the price. And आप थोड़ा टाइम लेके आइए. We are located in Kalkare, Hormau. You can find the location in the description also. So this is the car. मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. This is the car. This is HR26 गुड़गांव registration number. So इसमें अभी तक कुछ लगा नहीं है, आप देख रहे हैं. आपको मैं साइड भी दिखा देता हूँ. इसमें म्यूगन स्पॉइलर लगा हुआ था पहले से. This is not by us. यहाँ पे बॉडी दिखा दीजिए आप. एड ऑन नीचे बम्पर कुछ भी नहीं लगा है यहाँ पे. So the car is completely empty. So अभी फैब्रिकेटर अभी इसको लेके बैठेगा. So it's going to take time, like I told you, depending upon car. So we expect to deliver this something around in the evening. तो चलिए इसका भी हम इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस देख लेते हैं. गाइस, सो कल रात को काफ़ी लेट हो गई थी एंड राइट नाउ द कार इज़ रेडी. एंड बता दूँ, द कार हैज़ बिकम वेरी डर्टी बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ सेंडिंग वेयर ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं द फिनिशिंग हैज़ कम वेरी नाइस. मैं आपको फ्रंट से भी दिखा देता हूँ. सो देयर इज़ द लुक. सो हम डिलीवरी से पहले अभी एक वॉश करेंगे. तो वॉश के बाद मैं आपको इस गाड़ी के ओनर से मिलाता हूँ. So guys, we have finally finished the work of this Toyota Etios and you can see the add-ons that we have installed here. It has come out pretty neat. Side skirts भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ. These are the side skirts here. Okay. And this is the rear add-on. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अंधेरा है, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेना आप लोग. But this is how the car is looking. It's looking very beautiful. The entire look of the car has changed because of the small add-on. तो आप भी अपनी गाड़ी में कर सकते हैं ये सब. नंबर मेरा डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. तो चलिए, लेट्स मीट द ओनर ऑफ दिस कार नाउ. सो गाइस, वी हैव द ओनर ऑफ द Etios हियर. वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड माय इंस्टाग्राम. हाउ डिड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट मोटर अकॉस्टिक?
Rest of going
You're just passing by and you saw. So आपको कैसा लगा the finishing of the add-ons?
the finishing, I actually did not expect that it will go this well because we are a prime customer in some other place, but then we were not happy with the output from the previous workshop.
Don't tell their name.
Yes, I'm not telling the name. Okay, and we have been a follower of motor acoustics since a very long time. And Manish, my friend, he told me, okay, let's try here this time, and this is where we came. We gave our ETOs, and as you can see, this is our ETOs, and we have given a card for the installation of the kits, the skirts, and front and back bumper as well. And yeah, the output was pretty good. The delivery, the output, the finishing, everything was perfect.
But then now he has to get it painted because painting always comes in a separate package. But we are also starting
Yes,
painting
yes,
very
yes,
soon.
yes.
So if you plan to get it done, you can always visit us.
Definitely.
And
The one thing I loved the most was the customer treat. How they treat the customer, how they take the request, how the process on time. The time of delivery was perfect, and the output was good because our card did not fit the what is this, the kit well, but they customized it accordingly. And it is not a pre-made kit and all. They customize it according to the customer's wish and desire. So people who are willing to do modification, painting, customization, go hog.
thank you so much. That was a good one. So guys, I hope you have liked this video. I hope this was informative, and you can get in touch with me on my Instagram and as well as on YouTube. My number is 80957 We are located in Kalkare, Hormau. So please come, please visit. कुछ नहीं खरीदना भी है तो मत खरीदिए, आइए थोड़ा विजिट कीजिए, आपको सच में अच्छा लगेगा. Thank you guys, both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So guys, signing out. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka.